First year gardening mistakes to avoid when having an allotment and garden. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and we're going to talk about first year mistakes that people tend to make. I'm still making mistakes every single day down here at the allotment. I'm still not learning from my mistakes. And the first one being trying to do everything perfectly. Now I get some comments on my post saying that path's not straight, that bed's not straight, it's wonky, it's not looking right, but I don't care. I'm just happy with things growing and things growing well down at the plot. If it doesn't look perfect, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to look Instagrammable photo ready for showing off to everybody in the world how perfect it is. I'm just happy when things grow and things produce. So if it doesn't look perfect, it doesn't matter. Spending too much money at once. Now, you could just take on an allotment and go, oh, I'm going to spend loads of money on it and get it all ready and get it all sorted. Now, I've had my plot 20 years, and what I do is every year I improve a certain area and invest in it for that year. And I work on it a bit at a time over the years. And as you know, I've invested in a lot in doing up my polytunnel and getting all that ready this year. And I've had my polytunnel up 16 years. So do it bit by bit. Don't do it all at once, because if you do end up giving it up and you think I've wasted all that money, so just do it a bit at a time every single year. Not understanding sunlight. Now, the best thing to do is when you first get an allotment is sit down and just watch your plot and check where the sun goes, where it moves around, how much sunlight's on one area at a time. Write it all down and plant accordingly to the sunlight. So yeah, have a look around, check the sun and plant accordingly to the sun, because you don't want to plant something what's in a shaded spot what needs sunlight. You need to plant where it's actually sunny for a certain plant. So check the sunlight and check where to plant things. Expecting big harvests. Now, everybody expects a big harvest. Well, I've planted absolutely loads so far and we're still only in March, and I'm expecting big harvests this year, but it might not necessarily go to plan. If you don't get a massive harvest, oh well, you can try again next year. And it's good if you do get a big harvest. Like last year was an abundance of fruit down at the plot. Best fruit that I've had down here in the 20 years that I've had my plot. It was absolutely amazing. And I probably won't get that this year. Like, one year it can be fantastic, one year it might not be. So don't expect big harvests every single year. Just be happy with what you get from your plot and enjoy the fruits of your labour. So for more tips and advice, drop us a follow. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.